Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Office 2024 in your system. For that, let's press menu button here and search for File Explorer. Now I will go to C drive and here I'm going to create a new folder named Office. Now click again on menu, go to Edge. Now search for Office Deployment Tool. Now we need to visit this link, and not to worry guys, I'm gonna also provide you these links directly into the description of this video. Now download this. Now run it, click on accept, then continue. Now go to this PC, C drive, and the Office folder that we have created. Click OK. Now again click OK. Now again type here Office Customization Tool. Now visit this site. Again, you will also find this direct link in the description. Select 64 from Office Suite. Select the one that you would like to install. For example, I would like to install Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. Then go down, select the app that you would like to install. Click Next. Select primary language. I would like to select English US. Click Next. 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 Finish. Then click on Export. Select Office Open XML format. Then click OK. Select I accept terms and condition. Click Export. Click on Keep. Now open folder. You need to cut this file. And now go back to this PC. Then Office folder. Paste it here. Now you can delete the existing this configuration Office 365 file. Now you need to copy this address. Go below, click on menu button, type CMD. Now run it as administrator. Click yes. Then type CD and paste the path that we have copied. Hit enter. Now simply copy and paste the following command that I will be providing you in the description of this video. After pasting, by pressing Ctrl and V, hit enter. Now wait for the Office to get installed. You may also notice the app that you have selected here are only going to install. So here we can see Office is now installed. Let's click on close. Close. Now click here on menu and let's search for any Office application, for example Excel. Let's click on it. And there we go. We have successfully installed Microsoft Office 2024 in our system. Hope you liked it. Thank you.